Welcome back to RoboBoat 5. Today was qualifying day. Each team got 2 runs, one on each side of the course, to generate their best score for a chance at the finals. A monster storm blew in last night, moving all the buoys around and raising the level of the pond by 1.5 feet, so mapping out the course in training and replaying it wasn't an option. Let's take a look at the highlights from qualifying. Universitas Indonesia were first in with their replacement boat. After getting back out of the water for some dock work, the boat took off like a frightened waterfowl through the start gate and had to be chased down by kayak. Delhi Technological University from India were unlucky in drawing 2 back-to-back slots first thing in the morning. They were unfortunately not able to get their boat working in time to get in the water. Old Dominion University's boat performed a steady channel navigation to the blue buoy, then reversed away from it into the pond wall. They were happy enough with this score to use their second slot for a remote control survey run. Bradley University made it through the start and speed gates and 3 channel marker buoys, their best run so far this week. Pleased with that result, they decided to lock in the points. Stevens Institute of Technology entered the channel on the A course, and then treated the audience to a nail-biter on course B. With seconds to go, they munched a channel buoy and passed 7 more with the boat still going when the clock ran out. The University of Central Florida team had 2 solid channel runs, making it to the blue buoy both times, only bumping 1 yellow obstacle. On the second run, the boat thought it had reached the mission area, squirting water all over the place like crazy. Villanova University's boat seemed to be trying for the Pac-Man award on its first run, gobbling up green channel buoys like power pellets. But on the second run, the team was elated to see the boat make it all the way through the channel and attempt the Cheetah's Hand and Jackpot challenges. Florida Atlantic University got off to a brisk start with the fastest speed gate time of the morning, under 15 seconds. They navigated some of the channel and then ran out into the weeds near the Hot Suit Challenge. Diponegoro University from Indonesia had problems staying in the channel on their first run. But on the second course, the team went berserk as the boat had an awesome channel run and nailed the fastest locked-in speed gate time of the day, 14.63 seconds, beating out Florida Atlantic by just 0.01 of a second. National Cheng Kung University from Taiwan had some initial mishaps ramming the speed gates, but recovered during the second course to go through the gates and 4 pairs of channel buoys. The University of Michigan's boat freewheeled down the channel like it was born to be wild. But on both runs, it seemed to fall in love with the blue buoy, locking the globe in a love embrace. It was unable to fire all of its guns at once and explode into space. Georgia Tech Savannah had thruster problems and spent a lot of precious time circling to the right. They eventually managed to recover and send the boat through the speed gate before getting lost between the channels. The US Naval Academy named their boat Ramrod, and ramming speed was the order of the day as it steamed right into a speed gate buoy and then passed the first obstacle. They risked a rerun and managed to get all the way to the blue buoy and attempt a jackpot button press. Georgia Tech ASDL had overcurrent issues with their fan thrusters, but even at reduced power, their 6-engine Dreadnought crushed the strength test with 17.5 pounds of thrust. Ongoing control problems left them repeatedly attempting straight shots into the channel. Embry-Riddle started off with a strong safety run, going more than halfway through the channel and avoiding 1 yellow obstacle buoy. They locked in the points, a smart move as they had driver problems later on. Virginia Tech made last-minute weight changes to their air thruster-powered boat, resulting in control problems that plagued them throughout the day. They fought on bravely, managing a speed gate run in under 17 seconds. Reigning champs, the University of Rhode Island, battled color vision issues and possible compass calibration problems in their 2 runs. Their many fans were disappointed to see them struggle with the gates when they were well prepared for the challenge tasks. Cedarville University's boat initially seemed to be trying to produce bouncing baby buoys with the start and speed gates in their first run. But in their second attempt, they made several consistent forays into the channel, risking them all each time. The gamble paid off with a crowning run past 4 channel buoys and 1 obstacle. Now that the qualifying scores have been totaled, these are the top teams that will be going up against each other in the finals. In increasing order of points scored so far, Stevens Institute of Technology, the US Naval Academy, the University of Central Florida, the University of Michigan, Old Dominion University, and Villanova University. In addition to those 6 teams, there are 2 wildcard slots in the finals. 7 more schools will have 1 chance to qualify in the morning for the final 8. Come back here to roboboat.org for our live webcast from 1 to 4 p.m. Eastern Time on Sunday, June 24. We'll have all the finals action in real time, as well as an exciting special announcement. Stay tuned.